Welcome to My Ohio Success Network's Getting Started Guide. In this video, we'll talk about how to set up office hours. You can set up your office hours from two different locations within the My Ohio Success Network. Here on your home page, you can access the Office Hours button, or you could use the scheduling wizard. And you can also go to the navigation bar to Appointments. This is where you can see your calendar. And if you've integrated Outlook or another external calendar with My Ohio Success Network, you'll see the events that are occurring and scheduled in your external calendar. If we want to add office hours, we can simply click on the Office Hours button. We can title those office hours as advising or open office hours or any title you want. Just like your external calendar, you can indicate whether these are going to repeat or if it's only going to happen once, or every Tuesday and Thursday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, etc. Personally, if I'm going to set it up to repeat, I don't like to do multiple days. It then makes it difficult to edit your office hours if you want to change your office hours on a Tuesday not to include 2 to 4 p.m. So sticking to a single day and creating office hours is sometimes a good choice. You can also choose when you're going to start your office hours and when you're going to end your office hours. You need to select a location. This comes from the Appointment Preferences tab that we discussed in a previous video. You can also indicate whether you want students to be able to schedule and walk in, whether you'll accept scheduled appointments only, or whether you'll only accept walk-ins. Here you can also set the minimum and maximum appointment length for your visit. If you indicate differences between the two, students are able to pick how many minutes they would like to meet with you. For the appointment types, you're going to select the type of meeting that you're going to have during those office hours. It's important if you are both an instructor and an advisor that you click both advising and teaching if you want students that are in your class to be able to make appointments with you as well as your advisees. If you only want students in your class to be able to come during those office hours, then just click on the teaching. If you only want your advisees to be able to meet with you, like during pre-registration or other periods of time, then just click advising. You can add instructions that will go to anybody that makes an appointment. This is particularly helpful during pre-registration advising if you want to indicate that students need to come prepared with the list of classes or a course schedule for you to look at and approve. In addition, you can have a start and end date. What works really well here is you can end your office hours at the end of the term so that you don't have to delete out office hours that are going on in perpetuity and then add new office hours the next term. Once you've created all your office hours and identified what term you want your office hours to end, when you hit submit, you should now see those office hours show up on your calendar. And you can also tell that you have office hours on a day because that day is bolded. So if we take a look, here are the office hours between 9 and 11.